got this dress from the thrift store for like $4, and it's actually not a dress, it's like 2 pieces. Let's make this into something that I actually would wear. I'm going to do a tie around the neck halter style, so I'm cutting out the pieces for that now. I also decided to add darts. Mind you, they were too far apart, and that's kind of why I decided to do pinstriping to pull that material in a bit closer. I do think this looks super cute the way it is. If I just sewed down the sides and left it, that would have been so cute. I cut up the shirt and placed it in a way that I thought looked good and stitched it together. To gather the skirt, I stitched along the top with a very loose stitch and pulled one of the threads tight until it formed gathers. I then stitched it to a piece of material to hold it in place. Oh man, I can't believe I did this again. I cut the dress right in half, and it started because I didn't like the gold piece, and I just kept going, and now it's too short to be a dress, and I'm like, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. After I did that, I was pretty much ready to give up. It wasn't going together anymore, like it didn't make any sense, the design. So I switched it to a sweetheart neckline style instead of the halter style, and I had to take out my top that I sewed. I made my own sweetheart pattern by taking my measurements and copying it onto paper and testing it out with a non-stretchy fabric. If you'd like to know more about how I did this, let me know and I'll make a video on it. Time to make some straps. I just made these straps out of some matching color material I already owned. Because I want my back to be very symmetrical, I marked the spots to put the loops. So I realized when I tried this on that this, when it's all the way around me, actually is like this. So that's not going to work out for my design because we're not going to be able to string it through. So the way that I'm going to fix this, I take out a section here and here. I sewed these pieces together to make the back bottom panel. I attached the straps and looped the loops. After trying it on one final time, I was ready to sew shut the back. I can't wait for you guys to see the final garment. Woohoo! Hey everybody, thanks for watching, and please like my video and subscribe.